Give me playback of TS-19.
Playback of TS-19.
Few people ever got a chance to see this. Very few.
Is that a brain?
An extraordinary one. Not that it matters in the end. Take us in for EIV.
Enhanced internal view.
What are those lights?
It's a person's life, experiences, memories. It's everything. Somewhere in all that organic wiring, all those ripples of light, is you. The thing that makes you unique and human.
You don't make sense, ever?
Those are synapses, electric impulses in the brain that carry all the messages. They determine everything a person says, does, or thinks from the moment of birth to the moment of death.
Death? That's what this is? A vigil?
Yes. Or rather, the playback of the vigil.
This person died. Who?
Test subject 19. Someone who was bitten and infected and volunteered to have us record the process. Vi, scan forward to the first event.
Scanning to first event.
What is that?
It invades the brain like meningitis. The adrenal glands hemorrhage, the brain goes into shutdown, then the major organs. Then death. Everything you ever were or ever will be, gone.
Is that what happened to Jim?
Yes. She lost somebody 2 days ago. Her sister.
I lost somebody too. I know how devastating it is. Scan to the second event.
Scanning to second event.
The resurrection times vary wildly. We have reports of it happening in as little as 3 minutes. The longest we heard of was 8 hours. In the case of this patient, it was 2 hours, 1 minute, 7 seconds.
It restarts the brain?
No, just the brain stem. Basically, it gets them up and moving.
But they're not alive.
You tell me.
It's nothing like before. Most of that brain is dark.
Dark, lifeless, dead. The frontal lobes, the neocortex, the human part, that doesn't come back. The you part. Just a shell driven by mindless instinct.
God, what was that?
He shot his patient in the head.
Didn't you?
Vi, power down the main screen and the workstations.
Powering down main screen and workstations.
You have no idea what it is, do you?
It could be microbial, viral, parasitic, fungal.
Or the wrath of God?
There's that.
Somebody must know something. Somebody, somewhere.
There are others, right? Other facilities?
There may be some people like me.